and welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Our topic today is a very interesting one. We are going to explore 7 amazing, simple, natural home remedies for getting rid of stretch marks. So please don't go anywhere. Let's explore this together. Stretch marks are scars that form when the skin shrinks or stretches quickly. For example, during puberty, pregnancy, weight changes, or muscle gain. They usually don't go away completely, but for sure, these home remedies can help fade them and make them less noticeable. The first amazing natural home remedy for getting rid of stretch marks is aloe vera. Aloe vera has got skin healing properties and may help get rid of stretch marks. Some research shows that applying natural aloe vera to the skin not only soothes and moisturizes it, but can also repair it, leading to stretch marks fading. To use aloe vera to get rid of stretch marks, apply the gel from the plant directly onto the affected area daily and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it off. The second natural home remedy for getting rid of stretch marks is coconut oil. Research on coconut oil shows that it supports the skin's natural protective barrier. It improves dry skin and heals certain skin infections and wounds. Coconut oil may make stretch marks less noticeable and prevent new ones from appearing. To use coconut oil, apply it daily to the affected area, and when applying, massage it into the skin so it can work effectively. Using coconut oil to get rid of stretch marks requires a lot of consistency and patience because it can take weeks for you to start seeing results. Number 3 is vitamin E, and vitamin E helps mainly by moisturizing the skin and improving its appearance. To use vitamin E, purchase the capsules from your local community pharmacy, and what you need to do daily is break a capsule up and then apply the oil to the affected area. This also requires consistency for a few weeks before you start seeing results. And the fourth natural remedy for getting rid of stretch marks on your body is sugar. Sugar can be used as a natural exfoliator because of the tiny crystals that it is made of. The tiny crystals can help remove dead skin cells, revealing a more smoother and beautiful complexion. You can prepare your own sugar scrub. It is that simple. All you need to do is to mix a tablespoon of sugar with coconut oil or almond oil to form a paste. Gently scrub the affected area with the paste for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. You can use the sugar scrub 3 times a week on the affected area to see an effect. The fifth natural home remedy for getting rid of stretch marks on your skin is lemon juice or orange juice. These two are full of vitamin C, which has skin healing and lightening properties. Additionally, vitamin C plays a significant role in collagen development. What you need is the fresh juice of an orange or a lemon. Apply it to the stretch marks and leave it on for 10 minutes before you rinse it off. This would require a daily application for a few weeks before you start seeing results. And number 6 is shea butter or cocoa butter. These two have deep moisturizing properties and they keep the skin supple and moist. Apply a generous amount of either shea butter or cocoa butter daily to the stretch marks and do this consistently for a few weeks to see the stretch marks fade off. And finally, number 7 is castor oil. Castor oil has got skin healing and skin lightening properties. To get rid of stretch marks with castor oil, what you need to do is massage castor oil onto the stretch marks daily. Then cover it with a warm cloth for 20 minutes to allow it to do its work. Now, it is important to take note of the fact that whatever method you're using, it can take months for you to see results. So be patient and consistent. I hope this video is beneficial, and if you've got any stretch marks on your body, you're going to try one of these methods. Do let me know when you start seeing results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative videos. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.